Okay, I had a short in my HDZERO cord coming from my battery pack. I contacted DiviMath support and they sent me 2 replacement cables and a sticker to cover. So I'm guessing I warmed this up a little bit. Slide a razor blade or a little needle under the edge. I decided to put a little heat gun to blow some air over the side, and this sticker is coming up, so I do have a tack started under there, and I'm gonna apply some heat, warm it up, and hopefully use my little cutter tips to get a hold of it and pull it back off. Alright, we got that cable off. Well, not the cable, we got the sticker off. So I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4 little screws. Okay. Once again, this is to replace this power cable, which has a short. Thanks to DiviMath for sending me a replacement cable. I didn't think they needed to send me the whole unit, so thanks. Alright, I found I had to put the heat to this little switch on the seat on his PCB. It was stuck right here, so I had to put a little heat from the heat gun to loosen it up, and then I just used a little soldering pry tool to get underneath the board and pry it up. So we got the board out. I'm going to make the changes, and that little clip they sent is to brace the end of the cable to keep it from pulling out of the housing. Alright, I have the new cable attached. What I found during the replacement is this is not silicone shielded wire. It's that old plastic crap. But I did cut out the old plug. I didn't bother trying to solder to the PCB. I just spliced this cable in with the wire that was already soldered onto the board and just put some heat shrink around it, because I don't want to do any heat damage to that board at all. So yeah, as soon as I put the heat, I had my Omni Pro, or my Omni Fixo rather, to hold those wires together as I tapped them with solder. But yeah, as soon as the heat hit that wire, it started to melt the cover. So yeah, just for anybody that got the HDZERO battery pack, you may experience the same short that I experienced, to where it fatigues right here. So yeah, you may have to get a replacement cable, but at least you'll know that you remove this sticker off the back of the case with a heat gun, and then I heated this up a little bit too, and put a little flathead screwdriver in there to pry it up, and it came off easy. I was going to try to disconnect it from there, but I was like, no, let me not mess with that. Let me try this. So yeah, I put heat here to lift that up, and then the board just pulls out. Cable replaced. Got our battery readout working perfectly. Alright, that's the HDZERO cable replacement for the battery case.